What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
My brother was running and he slipped on the floor, and his hand.
Wow.
And his hand, like his phone slipped out of his hand, and now it's like broken. It's flashing like green lights. We tried to take it to Apple, but they said it was too old to fix. Can you
This
fix
one?
it? Yeah. Can you change the color for me, please?
Don't worry. I got you. Time to fix back glass. Surgery time. One more time, laser. Cleaning time. Glue time. Your phone is ready, sir. Now it's good to go. Here we go.
Wow, looks so good.
Oh, I like the color.
You like the color?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. 'Cause damn, I was